So, you might think that in order to make a lot of money, you need to do a lot of work. And you'd be wrong. In July and August, I worked 5 hours per week on my YouTube automation business. And let me tell you, the results were shocking. My first channel in July made $13,600. We were having $400 up to $500 days with just this one channel here. The beautiful part is, I didn't even work on this channel in July. I didn't make the videos, I didn't run the production, none of it. The second channel made $8.3 thousand in AdSense revenue in the month of July. You can see that the top days were about $362, going down to about $211 in the weekends. Now once again, I did no work at all on this channel. I did not make videos, I did not show my face, and I didn't edit anything. So how does it work? So I actually have a freelancer team that does the work for me. That is called YouTube automation. Now that allows you to get these crazy results right here without doing the work yourself. I even have this channel right there, which in July made 2.9K with about $100 days on average. Not crazy, but not bad either. So how exactly does this work, and how do I do this without being on camera and without working too much? I actually have a freelancer team that helps me make videos. We've got a team consisting of a scriptwriter, a voiceover, a video editor, a thumbnail designer, and a team manager. So the team manager is all the way at the top, which is then followed by all of the freelancers that help me make videos. So the freelancers make videos for me on these channels, which in total have actually made me hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can see this channel alone, $405,000 in revenue within just 2.5 years. Isn't that crazy? My team manager then makes sure that all of the content is good and gets uploaded onto the channels. I pay my team manager a monthly salary, and I pay the freelancers to get the videos done, and there you go. Now what is so good about this business model is the margins. The margins are extremely high. They can easily be above 90%, if not 95%, if you've got some decent traffic. So that was just the month of July. Let's take a look at how much I made in August by barely working on this business at all. So in August, my main channel made $13,091, which once again is a pretty good result considering that my team manager ran the entire operation. I'm actually doing a live coaching call with the team manager that runs all of these people and all of these channels inside the 7-day bootcamp with the Automation First Academy, which as of right now is a special one-time offer. The second channel made $9.1K in AdSense revenue in the month of August, which is the best month so far. You can see that we went from 200, 600, 1.3, 2.4, 3.3, 5.1, 6.3, 7.7, 7.5, 7.6, 8.4, 8.3, and then 9.1, the best month so far. Now what is shocking here is the CPM. You can see that some days I'm getting a $47 CPM, which is off the charts. So what is the 7-day bootcamp at the Automation First Academy? So the Automation First Academy teaches you how you can build a freelancer team that will do the work for you so that you can build channels like this without showing your face. So if you're not sure where to find these people, how to hire them, how much to pay them, how to figure out which positions you need, how to then run the team, how to hire a content manager, and pretty much outsource and automate the entire process with blueprints and templates, then the Automation First Academy is for you. And by the way, the other channel continued to make about $100 a day, maybe slightly less, and put in 2.4K on just the AdSense revenue in the month of August. Now this doesn't even include brand deals. Let me get into that next up. I'm currently running a special offer for the Automation First Academy because in 6 days I'm actually raising my prices and they will never go down again. So if you want to learn step by step how you can build video teams that allow you to get results like this, and then also get a free coaching call within the 7-day bootcamp from my own team manager that runs this entire operation, now's your only chance. I'll leave a link down below in case you're interested. With brand deals, I also managed to make quite some money in these 2 months. The way I've set this up, I've hired a branding manager that takes care of incoming emails, and he also reaches out to other brands, and he takes care of the sponsorships for the channels. So every single time he lands a deal, he simply messages me and he messages the team manager. They get the video done, so I'm not even included in that, yet I see the payments come in, and of course he lets me know whenever he landed a deal so that he can claim claim his commission. I pay him 25% per deal so that he's got a good incentive to make money and chase after these deals, which then ends up in even more money for me without doing any of the work. So you can see here how all of this stuff, YouTube automation, just comes down to building the right team and setting up the right systems so that you can make money without being involved all the time. Now that doesn't mean that this came out of nowhere. I put in a lot of work to build up these channels in the first place, don't get me wrong there. But after that, if you've got a team of 8 players, then you can get a lot done without doing a lot of work yourself, which blows my mind to this day. If we combine all 3 channels in the months of July and August, we made over $7,000 in brand deal money, which is not bad at all. So in these 2 months, I made close to $60,000 with YouTube without doing any of the work myself. I've outsourced and automated the entire process. I can now kinda chill while this money continues to come in. If that's for you as well, check out the link down below and then I'll see you there.